Hello everyone, my name is Cassandra and welcome to Cassie's Delightful Meals. I'm a mother of 3 and enjoy cooking yummy homemade meals for my family. What better time for me to start this journey than fall? One of my favorite times of the year. I love to see when the seasons change and you get to add in some seasonal flavors to your meals. So today I will be creating a delightful pumpkin pasta to incorporate the fall season. Okay you guys, for today's delightful recipe, you need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, half a bag of spinach, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a half can of yummy pumpkin puree, half a jar of sun-dried tomatoes, a bunch of sage, and half an onion. I decided to use this tricolor pasta because it gave me fall vibes. Incorporating the green and orange hues, I thought it would be perfect for today's delightful meal, but you can substitute with your preferred pasta. A pack of yummy, scrumptious bacon, and a pound of chicken. I'm using mustard and complete seasoning to give my chicken flavor. How do you guys at home like to season your chicken? Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm gonna do the hardest part of the meal, which is using my garlic press and cutting onions. Thankfully, I didn't cry this time. Using the garlic press, I minced 4 garlic cloves. Half will be used for the pasta sauce. The other half will be used for sauteing the chicken. The same with our half onion. One of the ingredients that gives this meal an extra oomph is the nutmeg. You want to be light-handed, if not it can turn into a pumpkin spice scenario really fast. Now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Once we've brought our water to a boil, we're going to add our olive oil and cook the pasta al dente according to package instructions. Salt is a preference, so season according to your liking. Remember to stir every so often. You don't want to overcook the pasta and have soggy noodles. My favorite part of cooking is to relax. So grab your preferred drink of choice, whether that be coffee, wine, or tea. Once the saucepan is heated, go ahead and drop the coconut oil, onions, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and sage. Oh my god, it looks so yummy! Now we're gonna add the spinach. Cook until it withers down. We're gonna mix in the pumpkin puree, which is the base of our pasta sauce. Mix in the cream cheese and the butter. Now it's time to add in our milk. Now the flour and the Parmesan cheese will work as a thickening agent for your sauce. As the pasta sauce is simmering, you want to monitor the consistency by stirring it every so often. This is the part where I turn the heat down a bit. You don't want to overcook the pasta sauce. I always recommend to taste along the way, so add additional seasoning if needed. Oh my goodness, it looks so festive. I love seeing all the colors come together. So now we're going to saute the chicken using coconut oil, garlic, and onions. You want the chicken to reach a nice golden brown as you're cooking. If you happen to see that it's getting a bit liquidy, no worries. Just drain the excess liquid out, add a bit of olive oil, and then you should achieve that nice golden brown color you were aiming for. You guys, it's coming along beautifully. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and push those bell notifications for next week's episode. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, you guys, the best part, the bacon. The bacon ties all these earthy flavors together. The sage, the pumpkin, the nutmeg. You can't have a fall pasta without these key players. Voila! And my favorite part, the yummy, yummy cheese. Time to dig in. Okay, you guys, it's time to try our delightful meal. I'm super excited to try our delightful pumpkin pasta. Okay, let's see. Delightful. Oh my gosh, so good. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and share my delightful meals with your friends and family. And remember, the most important thing is to cook with love. Until next time, everyone.